Now that we've changed the modem speed and you've taken a brief look here at how our exported imagery looks on an HTML page in Dreamweaver, let me draw your attention back to Fireworks. We'll select the Fireworks program from the taskbar, go back into our Canvas file, and let's take a look now at another export feature where we can export as what's called CSS layers. If we go back under the File menu and choose Export, you'll notice from our Save as Type menu this time, we're going to choose an option called CSS Layers. Now CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and cascading style sheets are what a lot of designers are looking for these days when it comes to control over typography on the page, positioning of objects, even shortcuts. Well, we're going to take all of the imagery in our canvas and we're going to export it as individual layers. Layers are an integral part of CSS, and if you want to use layers to precisely position objects on the screen rather than table cells, Fireworks will let you export all of your imagery into individual layers. So when we choose this option, you'll notice we have also very similar exporting options like we had before for HTML and imagery. We can choose how we want to handle the Fireworks slices. We're going to this time choose from the source menu, slices, instead of actually exporting our imagery as layers or frames.